Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a group post or group task to your students in your classroom. So এই ভিডিওতে আমি আপনাদের দেখাতে চলেছি কিভাবে আপনি আপনার ক্লাসরুমে স্টুডেন্টদের মাঝে একটি গ্রুপ টাস্ক দিতে পারেন। তো চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক। So let's have a look. For that you will have to open the Google Docs first. এটার জন্য আপনাকে Google Docs প্রথমেই ওপেন করে নিতে হবে। If you don't have this, you have to install it from Google Play Store. It's available there for free. So open up it. Okay, now you will have to select the plus icon in the right bottom side, and from the right bottom side you will have to choose a template. No, you don't need to choose any template. You will have to select a new document files. So I have selected the new document files here, and when it has opened you will have to say okay. After saying okay, you will have to just go back. So I hit it okay and go back. Again back. Now I will find some options, for example 3 dots available there, and from 3 dots I will select rename option. Slide up so that you can get the rename option. Here is the rename option visible, so I will rename it. When I am renaming, okay, in rename section you will have to remember which topics you have already made a material post. It will be quite similar to your material post, because you are going to assign them regarding this material post. So remember the material post sequence. For example, if the material post is 3.5.1, then it will be for group 1. Here you can see it is for group 1, so I have renamed it. And now if you have 2 groups, 3 groups, for example I have 2 groups, so what I will do, I will just copy it. So make a copy, and I will change the name by group 2 and okay. Then finally you will see that it is also created. So go back and you will see 2 files already created, group 1 and group 2. So what I will do, I will just leave the application and I will open MX browser or any browser that you use for your classroom. And as you can see I have already in my classroom, so I will just go to the second tab for classwork. এখানে আমি classwork এ চলে যাব, and then I will create an assignment here. Create an assignment. Okay, in assignment it will be something for group work, group task, and this one something, for example if I want to make any instructions here, first I will have to select how many students are going to be in the group. So select all students and make a group here. For example, if I just select it for only for Amatu ma'am, Ambia, Aruna, if I just think they are just one group, let me select someone else because I don't want her to get the notification right now. So find out some, for example here I am and no one else. Let's make it for 3 persons available. So these 3 persons are in the group. As you can see, I have selected them for the group. So click here so that it become invisible. As you can see, it is assigned for those students. As you can see here, it is 3 students selected. So you will have to remember or write somewhere where you will make the group 1, group 2, who will be in the group 1, who will be in the group 2 and 3, as more as you want, and you will have to make an instructions here. So what will be the instructions? To write the summary. For example, write the summary on something. I can say just it ding 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 ding, anything else. It's just a test post, so as you understand. So what I will do here, I will have to add the file I have created here. So add the first file for group 1. So here you will select the Google Drive, not the linked one. I have did it unconsciously. So I have to select add, then I will have to select its Google Drive. Then in Google Drive you will find your file, the one you have created a few moments ago. In the recent you will see the files are available. So you'll have to select the first one for group 1. When you are seeing here, you can see 2 are available here, but you can't see the whole name. So what you will do, you will just simply click here After clicking here, you will find them with your name. So with the name, it's group 1, and I have selected group 1 and I have selected add. After selecting group 1, add. Now student can view the file. I will have to change it to student can edit the file. Now these 3 students can make conversation between them and can discuss, and then they will write a summary by discussing with each other. So if you want them to discuss, here you can make a rules discuss first, and then write the summary. Well, now you will have to select the grade category. For example, what grade category are you going to add here? If you want to make a grade category for group works, you can create another grade category for groups. But if you have any other group categories, for example, written, you can also add the written marks here. But I want you to create a new group categories for group work. It will be better, I think. If you don't have that one, you can just simply select the written part. But I don't have any category here, so I'm not going to create a new one. I'm just leaving it no category. And in the point, you will have to select the point. For example, if it is for 10, you will have to select the 10 and mention that it will be only for 10. তো প্রথম থেকে আমি একবার বলে যাই। প্রথমে আমি কি করেছিলাম সেখানে, প্রথমেই আমি একটি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট পোস্ট তৈরি করেছিলাম। দেন আমি সিলেক্ট করেছিলাম স্টুডেন্ট লিস্ট, কারা কারা স্টুডেন্ট হিসাবে থাকবে। ঠিক উপরে অ্যাসাইনের নিচে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে 3 স্টুডেন্টস, এখানে তিনজন স্টুডেন্টকে আমি সিলেক্ট করেছিলাম। দেন আমি একটা টাইটেল দিয়েছিলাম গ্রুপ টাস্ক, কিন্তু মনে রাখতে হবে এই গ্রুপ টাস্কটি হচ্ছে 3.5.1 এর উপরে ভিত্তি করে, তাই আমি এটাকে 3.5.1 point anything I can just say, for example another one if it is just group post 1, so it will be like a 4 number sequence. Okay, fine, that's not the matter. Now what I have done here, I have selected the material. I have added the created document from Google Drive. আমি যেই গুগল ড্রাইভে একটু আগে অর্থাৎ গুগল ডক্সে যে ফাইল ক্রিয়েট করেছিলাম সেগুলো থেকে প্রথম গ্রুপের জন্য প্রথমটা সিলেক্ট করলাম। দেন আমি সিলেক্ট করেছিলাম স্টুডেন্ট ক্যান এডিট দ্য ফাইল। আমি বলেছিলাম গ্রেড ক্যাটাগরি অ্যাড করতে হবে, যদি না থাকে দেন নো ক্যাটাগরি। পয়েন্টসের ক্ষেত্রে আমি বলেছিলাম যে ইট ইজ বেটার ইফ আই সিলেক্ট দ্য 10 point to 20 points for group work. Now it is due date. If you have any due date, you can add the due date, and if you have any topic, you can use the topic. I don't have topic right now, but if you have, you will have to select that one from here. So I'm leaving it blank. If you have any rubric, যদি আপনার কোনো রুলস থেকে থাকে যে প্রথম এই প্যারা সামারিতে এই অংশ থাকলে আপনি 5 দিবেন, ওই অংশ থাকলে অতিরিক্ত 5 দিবেন, এমনটা আপনি করতে পারেন। So if you have any rubrics here, you can add easily. If you don't have any criteria, then leave it blanks. Then what you have to do, you'll have to just say assign, or you can just simply click on schedule post. So if you schedule it, no grade category selected, overall grade এটা অ্যাড হবে না বলে দিচ্ছে যদি আপনি গ্রেড সিলেকশন না করেন। So I'm leaving it assign, and when it will be assigned, so I have scheduled a time. I don't worry about what the time is. Now go back to your classwork and you will see your group task for 1 is ready. Now what I will do, I will select it and I will also copy it. So how I will copy it, here is no option you can see in the 3 dots. That's just nonsense. I shouldn't do this like that. You'll have to go to create again and you'll have to select reuse post. From create, you will have to select reuse post. So when you are going to reuse post, it will ask you to select your class. As I have many classes here, but I will have to remember which classes I'm going to post আমি কোন ক্লাসে পোস্ট করতে যাচ্ছি সেটা দেখি আমাকে রিউজ পোস্টটা করতে হবে। I'm sorry, yeah, my internet is lower down here, so it's taking time, but it shouldn't be waiting for me. um, I'm still waiting, hope it will be loaded soon. In the next step, remember to select second group of students from students section. তো আমি বলছিলাম এরপর ধাপি আপনি স্টুডেন্ট সেকশন থেকে সেকেন্ড গ্রুপের স্টুডেন্টদের নির্বাচন করে নিতে হবে। Oops. Okay, I'm gonna try again because this is really embarrassing moment for me. I'm trying, but I can't do this right now. So what I'll do, I'm gonna create reuse the post again. Hope okay, fine, it is loaded here as you can see. So from here, you are going to make another copy from the class. I have selected here the task, you can see here. So as you can see, you are going to reuse it as it is for group 2. The first one was for group 1, so I have already copied it, and I will just make it 2 so that I can understand, oh, it is for 2, that means second group. Everything will be same, the only thing you will have to do is here, you will have to cross it. Now you will have to go back and add from add like previous Google Drive, and from Google Drive you will have to select the group 2 that is attached here, that you are going to attach here. So I have selected the group 2. As you can see, this icon mean group 1 has already been used in some files. Now I have selected group 2 and I have added it. This is what I need to check here, and after that you will have to just go to schedule and assign and give the schedule time and schedule it, and you can see your posts are ready for both groups. I hope you have understood this section. Thanks for being watching and staying with me. Have a great day. Bye.